Redefining what it means to be a one-stop shop, HubSpot has taken things up a notch with the highly anticipated Shopify integration. For those who need a bit of a refresher, Shopify is a leading multi-channel e-commerce platform designed for small and medium-sized businesses, allowing merchants to design, set up, and manage their stores across multiple sales channels. Howdy, it's Travi from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. With its purpose deeply rooted in inbound, merchants with an e-commerce store on the Shopify platform can now store all of their sales data within HubSpot database, generating more traffic, a brand their market will love, and revenue from their existing customer base. So why exactly integrate the two platforms? Well, it's never been easy to start an e-commerce business. It's still extremely difficult to scale one. Inbound is a secret weapon in the fight against the e-commerce giants. With the integration, everything's at your fingertips. Not only does it allow you to analyze your Shopify data in HubSpot, it also automatically syncs products, contacts, and orders from Shopify into HubSpot. It segments contacts based on products and automates e-commerce campaigns, increasing customer satisfaction rates and revenue as a result. Let's break it down to help you understand just exactly this thing that is taking the digital world by storm. So the integration can firstly sync your customers, products, and deals between both platforms. The sync turns your store data into powerful sales and marketing signals inside HubSpot to create a single view of all of your customers for your teams to look at. At this point, you can begin to use both smart lists and reporting tools to reveal a deeper, more meaningful level of insight into your audience than ever before. You can then segment users however you like, be it by products that they buy, the deals that they like, their customers' lifetime value, and more. Then you can use those super specific lists to inspire the emails you're writing and sending, the ads that you're creating, and even the workflows that you're executing. Secondly, the integration has upgraded personalisation and automation capabilities to better stimulate growth. With new tactics like abandoned cart email nurturing, smart CTAs, and product-specific re-engagement ads. Automated tracking of abandoned carts is a particularly useful feature for the platform, as reminding customers of their purchase intention not only saves you time and energy, it also increases your business revenue by generating more conversions and fewer abandoned carts. With personalized automation, you can also create an unlimited number of triggered emails based on predetermined events, full to the brim with info you've collected to improve your relevancy. Just a few of the emails that you can set up include welcome emails for when someone signs up to a new account, follow-up emails to be sent after a purchase has been made, or even product review requests for satisfied customers. Lastly, with HubSpot's Shopify integration, you can enjoy out-of-the-box reporting such as sales processed that month versus your goal, abandoned cart recovery, and more, giving you the option to redirect your e-commerce strategy, expand to new markets, or make data-informed decisions. You can also get the lowdown on purchase frequency and average ticket, so you can analyze the value customers bring to your e-commerce store and therefore devote more of your time and effort to the most valuable customers. So there you have it. Injecting inbound into your e-commerce strategy is a foolproof way to conveniently store product and lead data to nurture leads in the most human way possible, from awareness to advocacy. So if you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with integrating their Shopify to HubSpot. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. And that's it from me. Happy selling.